I'm Timo Carrigan, and today is Monday the 29th of January 2024, and it's a really important day because it's the first day of the opening of our new orthopaedic surgical unit, level 5 at Macquarie University Hospital. It's called the Orthopaedic Institute at Macquarie University Hospital, and it's got 4 brand new operating theatres with the latest in equipment. It's got 29 inpatient beds and 2-stage recovery. Everybody's very excited about our first list, and we really aim to make this an amazing experience for patients right from the beginning as they come in, their admission process, the operative experience and the post-op recovery. The idea is that the patients are in for a short stay, so it's less than 5 days of inpatient stay, and we're really excited about this addition to Macquarie University Hospital. It's been a joint venture between surgeon investors, Medibank Private and the university. And it's been an incredible process bringing this to fruition, and we're very, very excited about getting this going today.